Want to start selling on Etsy but don't have digital products of your own? Let me show you how to launch your store in minutes using Creative Fabrica. First, head to Etsy.com, click Sell on Etsy, and walk through the setup, shop name, currency, all that. Pick a niche like printable wall art, SVG files, or digital planners. Now, here's the shortcut. Go to Creative Fabrica, links in the description. They've got tons of ready-to-use digital products, clip arts, fonts, bundles, you name it. And the best part, they come with commercial use rights. So you're totally allowed to resell them on Etsy. Just download, make a few tweaks if you want, upload to Etsy as a digital product, and boom, you're in business. If you want to try Creative Fabrica, I dropped the link below. Give it a shot and tag me when you make your first sale.